Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you some effective ways to speed up your uploads in Google Drive on your PC. Whether you're dealing with large files or slow internet, these tips will help. Let's dive in. First step is to use a stable internet connection. First, make sure you're using a stable and fast connection. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, as this will give you more reliable and faster speed. The second thing is to upload during off-peak hours. If your uploads are slow, try uploading during off-peak hours, such as early morning or late evening. Internet traffic can impact your upload speeds, especially if multiple people are using the same network. Third step is to compress large files. For large files, it's a good idea to compress them before uploading them. You can use tools like 7-Zip or WinRAR to reduce file sizes, which will make the upload process faster. Once the file is uploaded, the recipient can easily extract it. The fourth step is to upload multiple files in batches. Uploading many files at once can slow down the process. Instead, try uploading them in smaller batches to improve speed. You can drag and drop a few files at a time or organize them into folders before uploading them. Fifth thing you can do is close other apps and tabs. Make sure no other apps or tabs are using your internet bandwidth while uploading. Streaming videos, downloading large files, or using cloud storage simultaneously can slow down your upload speeds. You can view this via the taskbar, like this. And that's it. By following these simple tips, you should notice faster upload speeds in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.